What's up, guys? It's Miss Johnson. Today we're going to be talking about phrasing. We talked about phrasing before, but I just want to go over it to make sure you guys don't forget. Remember, phrasing is when you read words in groups instead of word by word so that you don't sound like a robot. Let's practice real quick. All right, so here are some sentences that I have. And instead of, remember, when we are phrasing, our goal is that we sound like our teacher. We don't sound like a robot. So here is what a robot sounds like. If I was to read this sentence as a robot, I would go, today is my birthday. Yeah, but we don't want to sound like a robot. We want to sound like our teacher. So what I'm going to introduce today is something called scooping. And scooping is going to help us read our sentences, and it's going to let us know where we take a little tiny breath at in between our words. So it's just going to show us where we group our words at. All right, so in this sentence, we have two groups. We have these two words we're going to read together. Then we'll take a tiny little break right here, and then we're going to read these two words together. I'll do it first, and then you guys repeat after me. Ready? Today is my birthday. Repeat. Good. One more time. Ready? Today is my birthday. Awesome. And so we're going to do one more sentence. Remember, we don't want to sound like a robot. So you have to pay attention to where I scoop it so that you know where to take your tiny little breath. Here, this is where I'm going to scoop it out. So we're going to read these three words together, then take a tiny little break, and then these words together, and then we'll be done. Here are all of the words in the sentence. I'm going to read them like a robot so we know what we do not want to sound like. Ready? The cat is under my bed. Ready to read it in your best teacher voice? Okay, repeat after me. Ready? The cat is under my bed. Good. One more time. Ready? The cat is under my bed. Perfect. Good job. Now remember, the best way for you to get better at this is to practice, practice, practice. All you have to do is remember that when you're phrasing, you're putting your words in groups and you're not reading like a robot. And don't be afraid to always start over if you feel like you sound like a robot. Adios.